We are going to baseline our project. Baselining is a snapshot or copy of the original project. It is an approved project schedule that will be used to deliver or execute the project. It is used to compare the planned work with the actual work done. It's also used to calculate end value. Also, the baseline will help us to be able to calculate variances, and also it will also help us to make further project forecast or activity forecast. So now to baseline your project, you click the project menu, you scroll down to maintain baseline, then you click the add button to add your baseline. What would you like to do? Save a copy of the current project as a new baseline, or convert another project to a new baseline of the current project? So you accept the default, save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. You click OK. Then you type the name of your baseline when the project has been added. So it's loading. When it's finished loading, then you type, you select, then you type. Okay, that's by default giving us a name for the baseline, but you can edit simply. It changes from B1 to maybe initial plan, in case when you want to have multiple baseline. All right, then you have the baseline type. You have customer sign off, initial planning baseline, management sign off baseline, mid project setup baseline, and what if project plan baseline. So I'm going to click my initial baseline. All right, so I'm going to close. Then when I finish closing, the next step is to click project menu, scroll down to assign baseline. I'm going to assign my baseline to the project baseline here. Okay, the user baseline as well. This is optional. Okay, then I click OK. So you have now baseline this project. All right, so this is a copy of your project in the baseline. All right, so when you're updating, you update the original project, okay, but you still have that copy somewhere. So when you want to forecast, or you want to compare planned work with actual work, then Primavera will pull out the baseline and compare with the actual work done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn further, please kindly subscribe to this video, and also turn on the notification bell just below the screen. Then you also have the privilege of getting notified for subsequent video. Thank you for watching.